Thank you, you too.
What do you say? What do you say?
Boss, let me take a Scarlet and Violet.
Scarlet Violet?
Yeah.
Yeah, $7.
Right, that's we don't have that one, right? No. Let me just double check real quick.
Last one.
Oh, I do have the base set for Scarlet and Violet. No, I'll take the other one, boss. I'm sorry.
This guy?
Yeah.
There you go. $10.
Thanks, boss.
Appreciate it.
Oh, absolutely.
Thank you, man.
Yes, sir. Can I check out the scissor you got there, boss?
The scissor?
Yeah. You mind if I take it out?
Yeah, you can take it out, please.
Yeah, just fine.
Yeah, I got you.
What is that?
Here you go.
What do you got these marked at?
We have to check. We go based off market. Let's see. What's up, guys?
How you doing?
Not too bad, man. So,
You mind if I take them out?
go for it. So it's 36.
Gotcha.
So 72 for both.
Right.
But we can do 72 or 72.
I'm just trying to see which one is a better copy, boss.
Oh yeah, no,
Yeah, so I think this one might be. You said 36 for each of these?
Yes, for one. How you doing? Yes.
It's pretty similar. What's the best you could do on this one, boss?
Best?
Yeah.
Best you can do in market for
30? I'll take it.
Perfect. Anything you're looking for today?
I'm just browsing right now.
No problem. Let me see if you anything that catches your eye, and I'll be happy to work something out.
Absolutely.
I do my best to beat eBay TCG player.
Awesome.
I can do 225.
Which one? Can I take a look at it?
Yeah.
Let's see. Bet even 200 or no?
Yeah, I think 200.
No.
225 is me beating a lot of recent sales.
All right, we'll swing back around.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
I don't know. We found one in the shop the other day. I don't know where it went. How you doing?
Good, how you doing, boss? What do you got the Lucario at, boss?
I think it's at 90, but I can double check for you. I lost my price note. That's why I doesn't have a price.
Gotcha. It happens.
I've seen 61, 70, 74, 71, 80. I'll do 70 or 60. Around there. What's the date?
Yeah. Can I see it? Oh, man. You do 50 on it or no?
I would do 60.
60.
I'll beat you there. I'll do 55.
55. All right, I'll take it. Yeah, let's go. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
This is more consistent. This is going for like,
Boss, can I see the Pikachu and the Z-Crom here?
okay, I'll match that last sale at 60.
Now when that guy comes back, now you sell it.
A little whitening on the top here.
Wow, this would be a PC thing, right?
Ah, there you go.
Bottom.
Thank you. Awesome.
Oh, so what's the best you can do on this? I mean, you got the whitening on here a little bit. I mean, market's at 29.
The top right corner, you mean?
Yeah.
That's on my PC. My PC. I like 30?
You'd be like 27? Take it. Oh, can I check out that Ivysaur you got?
You can grab it.
I'll take it out.
If someone doesn't let you take it out, they're hiding something.
Gotcha. I just want to make sure. I'd like to ask, man, you know?
I honestly was hoping it was a white macadamia.
I was gonna ask you which one, but I was like, nah.
If that kid at heart, I would have ate it regardless. It's still flat.
Are you firm on this price here?
How much is it? Yeah.
Yeah. I'll take it, boss. I see the Greninja you got there.
This one? You buying?
Huh?
You buying or no? You're walking around.
Yeah, I'm buying. Why, you selling?
What we do for this one, boss?
What would I do for it?
Yeah, what we do?
470?
Yeah, let's do it. Right there. Let's go on. Boss, I see the birds you got here, the GX. Yeah. You want to go take it out?
Mommy, I need this.
You bet 40 for this one, boss?
Probably couldn't do 40. I could maybe 44.
44.
I try to have my cards priced pretty,
No, absolutely. I respect. I mean, yeah, it's pretty clean.
Honestly, I only collect near mint, cards, so I know they're all pretty minty. They're all out of my personal collection.
Gotcha. All right, let's do 44.
I have the alphabetically. You can check the G, but not in like that. Yeah. Good spot. Yeah, like you need to fill it in.
What do you have for this one, boss? What do you have for this one, boss? What do you have for this one? 13. Can I take it out? You'd be at an even 10 for it? You take an even 10? These are yours too?
Yeah.
What you got for the? I mean, that's what you got 90?
Yeah. All of these are pre-priced. Some of them have it on the back though, but some of them have.
You able to work on that price though, or no? Because I mean, last sale, I mean, you got 75, 80. Yeah, yeah. All right.
What were you looking to do?
You do 80 for it? All right, let's go.
I got you.
Just because I have one. I'll show you what I have right here. Which I'm holding now because how far down it's.
That's a good POV.
Thanks, appreciate it,
This
man.
went from 500 to like 140. And I'm
That's
like,
nice.
yeah, no, I don't want to. I don't want to give you. Just stay away from people who just are getting for like no sales on cards.
Can I take this out?
Yeah, sure. I bought a LeBron card. The guy valued it at 350. Only two. Alright. They look like a month later. I don't know. Yeah. I lost this. I'll stay away from those two. There's sales in tens, but not ounce. Tens are like in the shits.
How are you?
My problem is like say a 10 is a 3, so sometimes you can take half of it.
What's the best you could do on this one, boss?
65. I paid more.
64?
I paid like 60.
Yeah, this market's at like 58 for it.
It's a clean card.
It is.
Buy it on TCG for market. Get screwed over if it's bad.
October 9th. Well, if you
You do 60 for it or no?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah?
well, my question is, can he do it again?
Right now, I'm just looking at this. Wait a minute. Honestly, I paid more than I'm asking for it too.
Oh, I'll take you the Astro Radiance. Yeah, I'll take one.
Those are very hard to find.
I'll take one of the Silver Tempest. Yeah, we got these here, but. And I'll take a Vivid Voltage. I'll take a look at this charger you got here.
Thank you, bro.
Got it?
You flip or I flip? You flip, I call? Yeah. Cool. I'm gonna go out there.
I'll take it out.
Yeah. Damn.
Are you locked in at the 20, boss?
Honestly, bro, on the alpha stories,
It's got that little white in the corner. I mean, but it's still near me. I mean,
edge, like right on the bottom part of the edge. And
take 15 for it or no?
Cards be having like this like little fuzz, like white fuzz, and they count it as a ding, the surface issue. But this don't have it.
No, like a lot of the alt arts, usually with the higher end stuff, they don't have that.
What is
But I
17?
noticed on a lot of the cards.
Yeah, like the
even
promos.
The mangas.
Oh, let's check out the Charizard you got here. You locked in at that price there?
What's that?
Are you locked in at that price there?
No. You gave me a lead on the hat, so now I'm a little bit more enticed to give you a better deal.
300.
On that, I'll think about it.
Yeah, I also kind of want to take it home and take a picture of those two. You know, I do my pictures.
You do 135 on this one?
Yeah, I don't even have to check. That sounds fair.
Check out the Venusaur you got here, boss.
Of course. I love the 151 starters, dude. They're so nice.
Yeah, it is clean. Are you locked in at this rate?
Shoot me an offer. What are you thinking?
Yeah, like 75? We're at like 70, 82. The last souls here and all.
I probably want to be around like 90-ish.
What, 80?
85.
I don't know. All right, we'll do 85.
Sounds good to me.
All right, boss.
Appreciate it, man.
Yep.